Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and gathering tools. Open the frunk now using the touchscreen or fob, then remove the rubber seal and 3 push clips under the hood edge. This exposes the top trim and fasteners. While you work, you should keep the parking brake set and the area well lit. If you plan to handle any electrical connectors, disconnect the 12V battery first to avoid shorts. Once done, organize bolts by type so reassembly is straightforward. You now peel back the trim to access the latch and hinge hardware. Remove 4 screws and carefully pry the plastic clips. Don't force them or they'll crack. Next, support the frunk lid with a prop or assistant and break loose the hinge bolts, typically 2 per side, using a 10mm socket. This lets the lid come free without dropping. Make sure to label and unplug the hood sensor connector and any washer hose fittings before fully lifting the lid away. You finish by lifting the frunk off with another person and placing it on a padded surface. This prevents chipping the paint. Inspect the latch mechanism and wiring harness for damage, then reinstall in reverse order, making sure hinge bolts are torqued evenly and seals seat fully. This ensures proper alignment and sealing. If the lid refuses to unlatch, check the hood sensor connector and related fuses first, and use the manual release inside the frunk area to free the latch before forcing anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.